Hi, this is Lockpicking Gal. I'm doing my entry for Suki's fire sale. Um, the hammer is just a joke. But I have a lot of nieces and nephews, but I have two that live on my property that pick with me. I have a third one that is in the Navy, and he just started picking. And his goal is to beat me on Reddit. So if I win, I would like my entry to go to Robert. So my nephew Robert, this one's for you. This is an old Yale, and it's a wafer lock. I don't know if you can see the pitting on the key. Nothing too exciting. I really don't know how old that Yale is, but it's a pretty cool little lock. And Robert doesn't know that I know that that's his goal is to beat me. Right now I am a green belt working towards a blue belt. So I will be sending him this video maybe a couple days to a week or two before he sees it. I just wanted him to know his secret is out. It's just friendly competition, and it's good for me too. I just had it and I let it go. I forgot to show you the key. I think it's made out of tin. And you gotta pull the shackle up. One of my dogs is crying because the boys are outside working on the yard. And he wants to go supervise them. Okay, we're open. I got the shackle. And that's made in the USA. And it's an old Yale. Let me show you that. And that's the back of it. It's not brass, it's like painted. And this is the key. It's like a tin key, but fun little pick though. Okay, that's it. Hopefully Suki liked it. I did not have to use a hammer, so. And Robert, whenever you see this, I want you to know it's on. So I'm excited that he started picking, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So thank you so much, and best of luck to everybody.